Hello, welcome to the tutorial of how to create your VRM files of your Clonex. First of all, we have to select our Clonex files. In this case, mine are here. We go to the folder of your files, we select location, and then we wait. The avatar is going to load. Perfect. Now that we are here, we have to select Control Tab, sorry. So we change the pose mode to object mode. Now we can select anything. Then we select here to see what we are selecting. We go to pose and animate, switch to pose, and we click VRM. Okay, now the avatar is posing T-pose. Then we have to go to clone converter, stem optimization. We do all the stem optimization. What is going to happen is that everything but the avatar is going to be deleted. So as we can see, we have only the avatar. Now we are in pose mode. We have to select Control Tab again, so we are in object mode. We click A to select everything, G to move, and Zeta to move on the X Zeta. So we put the avatar on the right place, and we select Control A, location, rotation, and scale. So the avatar now it's in this location. Okay, then what we have to do is we have three kind of trousers: the jogger ones, the oversized, and the leggings. In this case, I want the jogger ones. So what we have to do is delete the rest of the trousers. In this case, we delete both and Alt H, so we unhide it. Perfect. Now we have the avatar. What we want to do now is export it in the high resolution format. So we click on export as VRM file, we click load, and we select the file that has been provided by Artifact, that it's going to load all our bones. Perfect. Then we select again export as a VRM file. We select the folder and we are going to call high quality VRM. And now we just only need to wait, and we are going to have our Clonex VRM file in high quality. Most of the metaverses don't accept the high quality version, so we have to optimize the avatar. So we are going to do two more VRM files, a medium optimized avatar and a super optimized. So yeah, we have the first avatar in high quality exported. Perfect. Now what we are going to do is the second avatar, that we only need to do optimize image. What this is going to do is reduce the resolution of each texture of the avatar. Okay, here we go. Now we have all our textures optimized, but as we can see, the avatar doesn't have the textures correct. We have to go to a shader editor. We click N to hide this part, and now as we can see, the metallic, the roughness, and the normal texture has the color space in sRGB. We have to change this into non-color, only for metallic, roughness, and normal, not for emission or base color. So we change this to non-color and to non-color. Perfect. Now we have all the textures correct. They are optimized. So yeah, okay. I'm going to fix this because it's a little bit weird. Yeah, I just moved it. Perfect. Everything looks perfect. So now we can hide this. Right click and close area. And now what we are going to do is export as VRM, and I'm going to change this to an M because medium quality Vialelo VRM file. So this avatar is going to be less wet than the high quality one, and some metaverses and some games accept this kind of avatar. The size of this avatar is accepted. And now after this we are going to do the full optimized avatar, that it's the one that it's that you can use anywhere, I mean everywhere. Perfect. Now that we have this, what we are going to do is only go to mesh optimization and optimize mesh, and here we have to see a couple things. There are some meshes that can be more optimized and other than less. Why? Because if we see this, we see the face very bad. So I usually put on the head optimization around 0.5, so we can see good the head. The hair, it's not needed, but you can put a little bit more than 0.1. The jacket is good, because if we put a little bit more, look what happened. We see like a strained black line in the middle, and if we keep like 0.1, it's like no line, so it doesn't look weird. On the suit, I usually like to put a little bit more, but where is this? Male suit, I'm going to put 0.25. On the trousers, I usually put a little bit more, 0.25 too. Yeah, so we can see it a little bit more detailed. Yeah, perfect. So now that we have this, the last step is select just the body, click on tab, so we enter in the editor mode, we select here, and now what we are going to do is delete, depend on your avatar, some part of the avatar. Why? Because these parts are not going to be visible on the games or on the metaverses, so it's not needed, and it's polygon that we can delete, that doesn't affect to the experience. And finally, what we are going to do is the all texture optimization. In my case, I have my avatar that had emissioned eyes, so I'm not going to click on all texture optimization because I want to keep the emission. So I'm just going to put on roughness, metalness, and normal. So yeah, as you can see, now we have a fully optimized avatar that it's going to weight super low. Now what we only need to do is export a VRM, and I'm going to put low quality Vialelo. Now, as we can see, we have the three avatar: high quality, low quality, and medium quality, and we have different weights. Yeah, this is the tutorial.